You're tired of fighting yourself. Not the world, not the system, yourself. And you know this is true. You feel it every night when you're alone with your thoughts. You start strong, then you collapse. You make promises, then you break them. You hype yourself up, then you disappear when it gets hard. Listen. Again, listen closely. You're not stuck because you lack potential. You're stuck because you keep negotiating with weakness. You're carrying a warrior's heart with a procrastinator's habits, and it's tearing you apart. You scroll for motivation like a man dying of thirst, but you refuse to walk to the water. You know this is true. Stop lying to yourself. You don't need more inspiration. You need a rebirth. And here it comes. The moment you stop being the victim of your own story, you are not weak. You are not finished. You are not too late. This pain, it's not your death. It's your training. Destiny didn't bring you this far to leave you undisciplined. Purpose didn't wake you up just to let you sleep on your potential. There is a version of you forged in discipline, built in silence, driven by purpose, guided by faith, feared by struggle. Imagine that man, the one who shows up daily, the one who doesn't quit anymore, the one who prays for strength, then lives like the answer already arrived. You don't climb the mountain by staring at the peak. You conquer it by taking the next step, and the next, and the next. 1 year can destroy a man who hesitates. 1 year can crown a man who commits. So tell me, which one are you choosing? Because time already started counting. Not tomorrow, not Monday. Right now, today. This is your signal, your ignition, your wake-up roar. You begin today. You improve 1% today. You stop quitting today. You become someone stronger today. No more waiting for easier days. You're done running from the man you're meant to be. And if this lit even a spark in you, if something inside you shifted, if you felt the fire move, I want you to comment this one line. My rebirth begins now, not for me, for you. Because the moment you declare it, you step into the second path, the warrior's path. So don't scroll past your own turning point. Drop the comment, my rebirth begins now. And if you want to go even further, add this too. Hold me accountable. 2 comments, 1 decision, a life changed.